What happened to my hive tool? It's my hive tool that you're using. No, that's yours, isn't it? It's mine.
You stole his hive tool.
That's the first time. He's bad about that.
Oh yeah.
Where is mine?
Here we are, yard 2, still up Vine Mountain, and this is the one that we haven't had very good luck with. So we're gonna just see. If you remember, this one over here, we put a split in, and the rest of them were pretty weak. We had I think we had one strong one that was over there on the packages. So we'll see how it works, how it is. I think I saw one going in and out of the split that we did, so I guess it's still alive, which is great.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah. There's a beetle base. Got them right here.
That one's full of honey.
Yeah, a couple of these got honey on. I don't think we got bigger in this one.
I don't think so. I think we already took all those out.
Let's see, it might be a super.
Yeah, it probably does.
Any bees in there?
Let me
I don't see any.
get up top. See what we got.
Got some weight to it. Take a chance. Oh, oh, oh. Got a queen cell in there. All right. Scat.
Okay. Got another one on this other one.
Yeah,
Scat.
I want to save those. Get those.
Okay. Yeah, we want to cut all those. Start making queens. Nice looking queen cell.
No problem. You sure you want to do it? No, you do that. I'll assist you.
On that side? No. I think there's one on this one too. Maybe 2.
Here, you want me to?
Yeah. Maybe 3. Oh no, that one's been eaten out. One there. I think that one's been eaten out. That one's cat. That one's cat. That one's cat.
It's ready to come out. Okay. You want to take it?
Yeah. Then there's some on the other side.
Well, I don't want to smash.
No,
it.
never mind. They're not closed. They're not.
This one is. Right at the end of my finger.
Yeah. Yeah, that one.
Let me see if I can do it this way. No. Can you get it?
bunch
you
of
want
them
to
that
cut
are
these
open.
out or you want to leave them?
Probably ought to cut them out, huh?
Well, that one looks like it's had.
No, there's still one over here that's in the middle. That looks like it's hatched. Yeah, you're right.
Looks like she's ready to come out of there. Gotta go in behind it without
There you go.
think we ought to check the rest of them.
Yeah, we better look
Yeah,
those.
better.
Those other ones empty there.
Yeah. You want to tear them down, or you want
We saw where one had hatched out, didn't
to look like it? It looked like they
we? And one of them
ate.
Got one here.
Looked like they ate one of them.
Two.
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 Well, a bunch of virgin queens here before too long.
Yeah. Our mating, they only got 2 of them working right now.
Might want to get out your smoker and smoke those off. Smoke the bees off of them, huh? Or do you care?
Not bothering anything.
Okay.
Get this side of it. Alright, you're gonna have to,
Yeah, that one, I don't know if you're going to be able to get it or not. It's on the wood.
they do that on purpose, right? Let's see what we can do here. Alright, blade's not very sharp. You got another one of these? Okay. I got one in my box. Little fried up on the bottom.
It's coming.
Is it intact? There she is. See her?
Yep. Brand new one, isn't she?
Yeah, she's little.
And they're,
Oh, yeah.
She's getting ready to cut that cell out.
yeah.
Sure she's a
That's what
virgin?
I'm working on. Yeah, she's brand new. Her wings aren't even dried out.
So what are they
yet.
going to do? She gonna make them swarm, or think she's a legit queen, or I mean,
You got the stick?
Yeah, I got the stick.
or do you need to put her in a
No, I think she's probably the queen.
You can get it, I think, Rob, with your tweezers. All right, I got it.
You think that's the queen of the hive?
I think so, but we'll keep that stick separate.
Here, I'll hold it. I'll change sticks for you.
Well, okay.
What? You don't want to do it like that?
No, that's okay.
Think she'll fly
She's
away.
going down, so she headed to the bottom. See, she over here,
Yeah.
right at the end of my thumb.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, can you hold the 2 of them together?
Yeah?
Okay. Just hold the 2 of them together.
Just put them like this, Doc.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, no, turn them around. Turn it around.
What? Oh, wait.
You're
a minute.
upside down.
Top to top.
There you go. Just like that. Yeah.
Okay. Keep going, set them in there, Doc.
Think so?
Yeah.
Okay. You won't be able to find her easy.
We won't. We're not going to find her. We're going to leave her.
Well,
we
what
find
if
the original queen. We're going to take her,
Oh,
and she'll think she's swarmed.
Okay.
We're going to play psychology on them.
It's bee psychology, not.
Yeah. Put a little smoke on them, you know. Help Bob out a little bit.
Oh, over here. There she is.
You got her?
Yeah.
Fresh one, new queen.
Yeah, she's running.
Yeah.
See her?
Yeah.
Yep.
Here.
You want to catch her, Bob?
Yeah.
You see her right there, right? She's skittish.
She's over.
Flip it over.
No, she's coming back. She'll get up on that cone in a minute.
Might just go right in your hand.
Actually, she's gonna fly.
Easier.
I don't think her wings aren't dry enough to fly yet.
She's in it. Put it down flat. She can't get out.
Yeah, but she's getting.
She'll come up to this tube.
Come on. Bob's inspecting his crop.
Yeah, I thought I had another one to hatch here, but we didn't.
I don't know, we've wasted a bunch of time on that one.
That wasn't wasted. That wasn't wasted.
Y'all gonna have to pick it up. All right, here we put on 9 supers, pulled out 13, 13 queen cells. 3 of those have already hatched. So we're gonna have to get our mating nukes ready to go. Well, we're in our final yard here. We only have 3 hives. Last time we were here, all the existing hives had to get busted up because they went queenless, had laying workers in it. So we're just gonna get on it. Let's see what we got.